At Sustainable Ventures, we believe in a world where climate change and resource scarcity are addressed by commercial innovation. At a time of increasingly extreme weather patterns, rising sea levels, devastating pollution and biodiversity collapse, there has never been a more pressing time to turn the tide of climate change. While progress is being made, it is far too slow. We believe that new technologies and businesses are required to accelerate the global economy to net zero. While the world is waking up to this challenge, Sustainable Ventures has been launching and supporting sustainable startups since 2011. We've supported over 300 startups and built Europe's largest sustainability cluster. To celebrate our 10th birthday, we launched our new flagship Sustainable Workspace here at County Hall in London. Over the last 5 years, Sustainable Accelerator has enabled over 2,000 investors to contribute to solving the planet's gravest challenges.
With COP26 in Glasgow this year and climate change front and centre, we are once again demonstrating our commitment to democratising investing in the solutions of the future, and we are now launching our 5th Sustainable Accelerator Fund. Since our first fund in 2017, we have gone on to raise and invest 4 Sustainable Accelerator funds. We have reviewed over 1,000 investment opportunities and made investments into 30 pre-seed portfolio companies who have gone on to raise more than £30 million in follow-on funding. We have an over 95% survival rate in our portfolio, which we believe is market-leading and testament to the strength of our Sustainable Accelerator support programme.
Our investment approach de-risks investments in 3 ways. Firstly, we create a diversified portfolio from our proprietary deal flow. Secondly, we use tax benefits and public funding to your advantage, with all the companies selected qualifying for SEIS or EIS tax relief, and with supported access to grants and other public sector funding. And thirdly, we aim to de-risk investments by supporting each company within the portfolio through a tailored programme, including a high level of access to the Sustainable Ventures team.
We also leverage our in-house design and grant experts, and all portfolio companies get access to our mentorship and internship programs.
We're really proud of the commitment of our portfolio companies to the UN Sustainable Development Goals. As part of the Accelerator program, we help our companies craft their theory of change and align their impact measurement framework to the IRIS+ metrics by the Global Impact Investing Network.
We have furthered our commitment to diversity and inclusion as an early signatory to the Treasury's Investing in Women Code and are currently tracking metrics aligned to that code.
LoopCycle is a product traceability platform that allows manufacturers to manage, recover and resell valuable secondary items. Since we started the Accelerator program, we've secured 2 commercial customers, we have 3 proof of concepts, and we are agreeing an innovation partnership with a manufacturer.
At Alberthim, we're designing temperature-responsive coatings that turn from transparent to white as you heat them up, and the aim is to use these to passively cool greenhouses. The main support we've received has been help with our market segmentation, our business development strategy, and also our customer acquisition strategy. Our biggest achievement since being involved in the Sustainable Accelerator has definitely been securing customer trials of our product with a commercial greenhouse.
We're in the process of developing a small portable air quality sensor that measures the major pollutants that are present in the air that we're all breathing. As a result of our involvement from the Sustainable Accelerator, we've had multiple introductions, some of which have ended up in some fantastic trials.
We co-invested with Sustainable Ventures into 2 companies in their Fund 4. We like co-investing with Sustainable Ventures, given that we know the companies will have access to industry experts and specialists, as well as the general business support needed at the early startup stage.
Supporting early stage businesses to deliver the sustainable innovations of the future is at the core of everything we do. Our mission is to deliver the world's leading sustainability businesses, and we hope that you will once again join us and thousands of other investors by becoming part of our journey to support the next generation of climate tech businesses.